Hello, my dear students. This is your biology mentor Dheeraj, and today we are going to study the most important chapter of your entire biology, that is life processes. Student, you all know all the processes which are essential for a living being are known as life processes. So, in this particular chapter, we are going to study about digestion. Students, you all know that we eat food to get energy. Means our food contains energy. Now the question arises, sir, the food contains macromolecule and it should be digested into micromolecule. The macromolecule should be digested into micromolecules. Now the question comes, what are the macromolecules which are found in your food? The first macromolecule is protein, and the digestion of protein converts into the small molecules of amino acid. Correct, amino acid. The second one which you get from your food is starch. Yes. Can you name some of the food which contains starch? Correct. Potato. So starch converts into glucose, and similarly the fats converts into fatty acid and glycerol. Now understand this thing. If this is a food molecule, I chew this food molecule with the help of my teeth, and then this food molecule is pushed into esophagus. The esophagus contract, relax. This movement is known as peristalsis movement. Important question for your exams. Then the food molecule pushed into stomach. There, three things are found in your stomach. The first one, the stomach wall. If you see, this is your esophagus. The J-shaped structure is known as stomach. This is your stomach. And stomach contains three things. The wall of the stomach contains three things. The first one is HCl, second one is mucus, and third one is pepsin. Now, this pepsin is responsible for the digestion of protein. Yes, students, the protein digestion starts in your stomach only. But question arises, what is the role of the HCl and what is the role of mucus? The answer is stomach is responsible for killing the germs and the bacteria which enters in your stomach, which are harmful for your body. They are killed in this particular region. And mucus, it protects your stomach from the highly concentrated HCl. Now, the digestion of food, partial. It takes place, the protein digestion takes place in your stomach. After that, the food pushed into small intestine. Remember this thing, the most of the digestion and the most of the absorption takes place in your small intestine. Correct. The small intestine receives the secretion of two glands. The first one is liver and the second one is pancreas. Liver sends the bile juice. Liver sends the bile juice. Whereas if I talk about pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. Now, the bile juice is responsible for the emulsification of fats, means the digestion of fats start from this. And the pancreatic juice again contains three things. The first one is trypsin, the second one is your pancreatic amylase, and third one is lipase. I have earlier told you that we have to digest these three things. The protein digestion is done by trypsin and pepsin. The starch digestion is done by amylase, whether it is pancreatic amylase or your salivary amylase. And then the last one, lipase, is responsible for the digestion of fats. Once all the macromolecules are converted into micromolecule, they are passed through the capillaries or villi which are present in your small intestine. They are passed into your bloodstream. Now remember one thing, if you are moving your hand needs energy. So now the digested food which is absorbed in your blood is transferred to all the cells of your body. This process is known as assimilation. And when the breaking down of food to release energy, this is known as respiration. And all the digested food After the digestion completed, all the undigested food which is not digested in your body, they are eliminated from your body, and that particular process is known as digestion or excretion. So thank you so much. This is a brief